Hello, in front of me I've got FOTON V9. In this video I'll show you how to use Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. In the beginning, make sure that your smartphone is connected with car, for example via Bluetooth. Once it is, let's go to menu and now select Apple CarPlay and select your smartphone. Disconnect the smartphone and connect it once again. After connecting it again, you should have prompt if you want to connect or not Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Now, enable Apple CarPlay. Sure. And the car will automatically switch to CarPlay mode or Android Auto. If you find the video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.